Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We have a new video with Eva today, and for today's look she is inspired by the Shironuri Makeups. So if you want to know how she has created this look, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in the coming video. The base of this makeup will be done with a foundation by Maron. This is the Celebrate Pro HD foundation in white, and Eva is just making her entire face and neck white with this makeup. So when you use a cream-based foundation, you do need to set it. So this is the setting powder by Maron, and you really need to set the entire look to be able to work over it and not to smudge it once you are done with your makeup. With the intense powders by Maron, which are eyeshadow powders, Eva is contouring her face, and to apply the eyeshadow to her cheeks, this is a foam lollipop smoothie blender. So the shadow goes under the cheekbone, on the temples, and also under her chin, of course. A small blending brush to put some shadows on the nose. Onto a lighter blue eyeshadow, also an intense powder by Maron, to soften the shadow on the nose and just put a bit of color on top of the eye, just under the eyebrow. A gray star blend, and that small blending brush again to put some extra details in the nose. A lip liner, just using a black pencil liner by Maron. And Eva is using a blue liquid lipstick to fill out the lips after putting that black line there. Black face paint by Chameleon to put the details in this makeup. So creating a symmetrical look is kind of important when you do a makeup like this one. A bit of the black around the lips as well. Look at how focused she is to create these lines. A bit of black just on top of the eye and a stripe right in the middle of the chin. Purple intense powders to give this look just a bit more color. So all these lines are blended with the same lollipop. First put them on and then just blend them out using that blender. Like this. Back in with that same white foundation, just to highlight a few bits of this makeup, the tip of the nose and some lines on the lips. And a few details in the black part under the eye as well. The black star blend to get the start of the eyebrow a bit of black. It creates just a bit more depth around the eyes. And with a blonde wig, this is Eva's Shironuri makeup for today. Well, we really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all the videos we upload to this channel. For now, we wish you a wonderful day, and of course we hope to see you back next time.